Hey there, it's Mark. This past weekend I was in Medford, Oregon. I picked up these two cars as well as some others. I did some videos for my Off the Pegs channel and you can check them out over there. I will not be reviewing everything that I showed in the video or that I picked up, but I am going to be reviewing these two now. Before I left for Oregon, I did show the cars that I'm going to use in the Blast and Crash track set review. I'm not going to be able to have the review of the track set ready for this weekend. Ran into an issue which you'll see about in the video. Before I finish that review, I got to get some cars up on eBay. So here's a couple nice sweet ones that are going to be in my Mr. Grooves eBay store. This one has a pretty good number. 312 out of 6,000. That's pretty low. This one will be up on eBay. So will the Datsun Bluebird. I'm going to put up some of the 5-packs that you see right there. And I just might get some of these Speed Racer cars over here. Oh yeah, I got some Star Wars track set or playset reviews ready to go as well. For the Tomica, I picked up this Audi R8. Looks fantastic. And I think there was like a truck that I didn't have before. I think it was silver, short bed, flatbed truck. I forget. I didn't pick it up. I don't know if I will. I think this is my receipt, $4.97. I think that's what I paid for it, because that's definitely the Tomica that I bought. But the Matchbox, $4.97. I thought it was $5.99, not $4.97. I could be mistaken. I didn't notice. Did they change the packaging? Because I thought the plastic was encapsulated inside. See, like here, this is cardboard, and you can't see any of this plastic. The plastic is tucked in right here. It's tucked in. But in the back, I don't remember. It could have been like that. It's been a while, I guess, since I opened up a Tomica. Yeah, it was like that. Well, maybe it was like this. Because actually, this seems like it's easier to open than it was before. I'll have to check my others. Let's go ahead and get this on the turntable. Here's a look at the box. 1/62 scale. Great color. Great decorations. Does this have suspension? I didn't check it. Hold on. Yep, suspension. Very nice. Plastic tires. All the Tomica that are appearing in the USA have plastic tires, but they're licensed cars, right? Decorations in the front, decorations in the back side, decorations in the rear. That spoiler is painted. Any decorations on top? Yeah, on top, look, you have your Audi logo right there. The only thing is, this model, it's priced just like the others, $5. But I don't see any opening features, which might be a little disappointing because it's a $5 car, right? But then again, this is $5 too. That's okay. When it comes to premium cars, I like the suspension. I prefer plastic tires, if you guys know about that, because the plastic tires, they tend to stay looking great forever. Rubber tires, sometimes the printing is off. Sometimes the rubber starts to crack. Sometimes when they print on the tires, the printing is a little wonky. It's not straight. So I personally, I prefer plastic tires. And I like to race my cars. That's another reason why I like plastic wheels. But I did pick up this Matchbox model. Matchbox released this under their Superfast branding. It's kind of an insult, to be honest with you. Back in the 70s, Matchbox, when it was owned by Lesney, they came up with the Superfast name to compete with Hot Wheels, and they had plastic tires. Not these. True grip tires. Yeah, these have rubber tires. The Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG 6x6. On the right side, metal parts and pieces. Now, if you're spending $5, okay, you expect maybe rubber tires, but you definitely expect metal. On the back, it shows 5 other models, and I did see the Volvo V60 wagon on the right and the 62 Datsun 280ZX. I checked it out and thought, you know, it's a nice piece, but I'm going to let it go. That's all right. I'm just going to let it go. I don't think the 74 Dodge Challenger was there. By the way, these are copyright 2019 on the package. And here is the 59 Volkswagen Microbus. I have picked up some type of VW bus from this line. It had opening features, and so that's why I picked it up. I have no idea where it is now. One thing with the Tomica boxes, you can reseal them once you take your car out. Do these. Yep, these same thing. You can't open them up. Unlike the Matchbox, not pillow packs, power grabs, you cannot reseal them. I did find power grabs up there. I grabbed a few. Maybe I'll get one right now. Sorry for making you wait for the review of this piece, but I kind of mentioned this, so I got to show it right now. So this one right here, you have the 16 Alfa Romeo Giulia. I think it's pronounced Giulia. So I had to pick this up, and I picked up a few Matchbox cars. This one, see, when you open it up, you cannot reseal it. There's no tab. Oh, I don't think there's a tab. There's no tabs for you to reseal it and keep it in the box. That's all right. Oh, that's nice. This one's in the bag. I don't know if they're all in a bag. Pop it out. But this is a $1 Matchbox. No moving features. And as far as graphics, you get graphics in the front, nothing on the side, and you get graphics on the rear. There's a close-up I wanted to see. I'm sure you did too. One of the other ones that I bought was this 62 Mercedes-Benz 220 SE sedan. That's because this lady right here, where's her name? They have it, oh, right here. Uwe or Uwe Roskvisk? I don't know. There you go. How about you try to pronounce it? So this is a regular release of this Mercedes-Benz. She was a champion, first female touring car Grand Prix winner. So this is a nice commemorative piece. It's a regular car in the Matchbox line. It is not a special release. They released it in the singles as well. I was very surprised when I found one on the pegs. I think it was at Dollar Tree. It's a regular release, but it is not a current release. It was towards the end of 2019, I believe. M48 for the production code, it looks like. Well, maybe it was an early 2020 release. I don't keep track of that stuff. But nowadays, if I see something I like, I buy it. So here you have your $1 plastic tire and Matchbox, and here you have your $5 plastic tire Tomica. This one has suspension, and this one has the extra graphics on the side. And you know what? It definitely feels heavier. Now let's go ahead and get to this Mercedes. I always forget the proper name because I just call it the Mercedes-Benz 6x6. That's just how I remember it. It has a very nice Spectra Frost color to it. There's your graphics in the front. It does have a license plate, headlight, Mercedes-Benz decal or decoration, and you can see one on top of the hood as well. You can also see the tread on the tires. These are rubber tires. And while we say rubber tires, it's kind of like a synthetic plastic to simulate rubber, I think, isn't it? And let's go ahead and get around to the back. They even printed Superfast on the back, even though it's not Superfast at all. It's got rubber tires. Almost every single one of your plastic tire cars are going to beat this one. I just noticed they put the Matchbox over here on the quarter panel as well, or the fender. One thing I wondered when it was in the package is, does this have any clearance? It is so close. Let me see. Yep, it has clearance. The same one, the front fender too, is very close to the front fender, or front wheel well. It is a fender, front fender. As you can see, there is an interior. Any decorations on the top? There you go. Spare tire. Even though I had a couple different brands in this video, I will put this video in both my playlists, my Matchbox Cars playlist, and I'm also going to put it in my Tomica playlist. Thank you for watching. Happy collecting. Bye-bye.